All right, coaches, coming at you again with how the workout whiteboard brief will look for Wednesday the 13th. So this was actually originally last Wednesday's workout, but we changed it up. So this is me now being the coach at the whiteboard. What's up, guys? Today we have Cardio Wednesday, and although it's 36 minutes, there should be a good amount of rest in this. Now, unlike last Wednesday, where it was a super easy, chill piece, today should be a little bit harder, potentially even a lot harder if you really want to push those paces. So that's up to you how intense you want to make this. So what we're going to have is a 9-minute round, and within that round, we're going to be doing multiple things, 3 different things to be exact, and we're going to go through this for 4 times. That's where we get our 36 minutes. 9-minute round, 4 times. So everything we're talking about is within a 3-minute window, and ideally, we're only going to work for about half of that 3-minute window, so like 90 seconds, and then have the second half of that to rest. So if we're going in order, and now we may have to switch this up depending on the class size, if we're going in order at 3, 2, 1, go, the very first thing we're going to do is knock out a 500-meter row for the guys, a 400-meter row for the ladies. Now, for any of my ladies that are strong rowers, we should probably bump this up to 450, but for the most of us, it's going to be 400. So you knock out that row. Now, this one, I'll admit, is going to be a little bit over the 90-second mark for most of us, probably closer to the 145, 2-minute-ish, right? Because 130 would be max effort sprint, and that's not what we're looking for, but still definitely under the 2-minute mark. Then you're going to rest for the remainder of your 3-minute window. At the start of minute 3, we have a 400-meter run. Now, this is if you're a decent runner and you know you're getting in 130 to 145. If not, then let's cut that back to a 300. And then you will rest the remainder of that window. Then starting at minute 6, you're going to have a 100-meter single arm farmer carry. So I've got one kettlebell down to the side, walking nice and tall. Walk half a lap, switch arms, and then continue walking that lap. We're not trying to hustle on this lap. You should be able to walk the lap within a minute and a half. So that's going to take up your 9 minutes. Then we're going to go back to the row, and we're going to repeat that for 4 rounds. Now, what we're looking for is to have repeat efforts. If your first round row was a minute 43, your second round row should be about a minute 43. So don't go so hard in round 1 if you're unable to recover for round 2. All right, guys, so that is your 36-minute Cardio Wednesday. When we're done, we're going to have one final piece. If you've done it, you love it. It is the barbell 21s. What we're looking to do is hold a barbell, and we're going to do 7 reps of the bottom half of a curl. Then you'll perform 7 reps of the top half of a curl. Then you'll finish with 7 full range of motion reps of a curl, and that 7, 7, 7 is how we're going to get our 21. And that is your Wednesday the 13th workout brief.